Hey folks, certainly a cooler day across the valley again since that front came in midday yesterday. Temperatures though warmer in the west than in the east. 61 in Rio Grande City, 56 McAllen and Edinburgh. Then you see it gets cooler as you get closer to the coast. And then Port Isabel reporting 49, and at the island last time we checked showing 47 degrees. So definitely chillier weather on the eastern end of the valley, and the wind a little stronger over there as well. Tonight readings are going to pretty much hold steady, maybe even go up in a few places. It's going to be a cool night across the valley, but not much colder than it is right now. We've already bottomed out probably, and then tomorrow will warm up a little, but not a lot. The problem tomorrow is the clouds are going to be with us. With those clouds, with some light rain and drizzle, temperatures have trouble warming up all that much. We climb back probably into the low 60s, but that's about it. But certainly warmer than it's been across the area today. Now the warming trend continues. After being 62 tomorrow, should be back in the 70s on Wednesday and the 80s on Thursday. So just as quickly as it dropped off, it's going to go right back up as we head toward the weekend. Another front is on the horizon for late Friday into Saturday. Some of the models now kind of backing off on the strength of that front, saying yes, it's going to come in, but it may not be all that strong. So keep your fingers crossed if you like the warmer weather. Clouds have been thick over the area today, and future track suggests they'll be thick all night. As we go into tomorrow, you just see an awful lot of that light rain and drizzle around the area. So it may be a damp Tuesday across the valley. Into Tuesday night, the moisture lingers, and then by Wednesday, it begins to break, and we should see at least a little bit of afternoon sunshine, and that goes for Thursday as well. Probably a mix of clouds and sun, but at least some sun in that mix. So not a totally sunny day, but the sky will turn blue from time to time. Now, we're looking at about a 30%. I probably should up that. I think I'm going to up that to about 40% for tomorrow. Wednesday, leftover stuff, and then Saturday, or Thursday rather, I think we go mainly dry. Friday probably should be dry as well until that front gets close. Still colder to the north, 39 in Austin right now. Well, we're in the 50s, 47 in Dallas, 50 in Abilene, 47 in Dalhart. For the most part, we've seen clear skies across North Texas and the clouds kind of lingering in South Texas. The front from yesterday well down to the south of us now, and it stays south for another day or so, so we're caught in this cool air mass with drizzle around. By Wednesday, though, the front turns around, becomes a warm front and moves to the north, and with that warmer air builds in. It will be here until the next front comes in. At this point, this guy looks like he'll be here probably Friday late. So until that happens, we warm up, and again, the latest model runs are saying it may not be all that strong a front for us. The coldest air staying way north. Traveling in the morning, 44 to start the day in San Antonio. Houston's 46. You can see what we're going to be. Temperatures back in the 60s in the afternoon, but significantly cooler across the rest of Texas. So for tonight, we hold steady. Cloudy with some light rain and drizzle, and then tomorrow back up to 61. Cloudy, chilly, spotty drizzle possible. North-northeast winds most of the day. Back to 76 for Valentine's Day, 83 rather on Thursday. Back to 78 on Friday, then we go cooler on Saturday, depending on how strong that Friday night front is. That number is subject to change, and then we go back up in time for the beginning of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.